couple months ago I showed you guys how to drill end dots into a fretboard, and I thought there had to be a better way. And of course my friends in Portugal, Guitars and Woods, makes these beautiful inlay templates. And the way you use these beautiful inlay templates, this is the 3rd fret, this is the 12th fret. You can line these up here on the fret. The 2 lines go between where the fret is, and you can just space these out, get your 3/32 bit, and drill these out. I really did not like doing this on the drill press. You just get a little bit of play and they don't look that good. So what I'm going to do is get some double stick tape, cut up a couple pieces here, stick this sucker down, drill it out, put in the dots, and be done. They're not that expensive, and if you're building a bunch of guitars, these are really nice to have. So we'll put this down between this one, We'll put this here to get some extra stick, and then we'll put one here at the end. So Guitar and Woods is in Portugal, and I've bought a ton of tools and templates from him. I even did a video on him a couple years ago. I'm very happy with the stuff he's putting out there. I paid for these myself, and he is not giving me any money to do this video. Alright, so we got the tape ready. We're going to drop this down, find the point I want to use, look at that, all on one consistent plane. So we'll push that down a bunch. I'm using Lee Valley's Brad Point bits. These are the best out in the market. I did a review of them a couple years ago. Make sure we're all lined up. I'm using some Grizzly end dots, 3/32. We'll just drill in a little bit. Let's double check that, how far we want to go. So we don't want to go any further than that. Don't need to. Put my finger on the template as I'm drilling so it doesn't move. One of the finer details I look for in a custom guitar are the glue seams matching up top and body, and then the end dots on a guitar. That's always sort of my telltale sign of how well built a guitar is, just some of those little things. So these are all drilled out, done in a perfect line. Really happy with that, actually. Instead of using some glue, which is going to run all over my fretboard, I'm going to take a little bit of acetone, pour this into my jar. I'm going to dip the rod in and then glue it in that way. So the acetone melts binding. That's one of the tricks I showed you guys. Dip it in. Got a flush Japanese saw. And we'll sand that out. Again, we're going to dip. The essence of time here for you guys. I will cut a couple pieces. Come back and do that later. We'll let these dry. I'll come back. I will trim them off, sand it down, and we're ready to put this neck on. We'll be putting this neck on in a little bit. Gotta drill the tuner holes, and then we'll get to spraying that gold top Les Paul. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.